All right, y'all, we are live on this beautiful Thursday. Blessings to everybody in the name of Jesus, Yeshua, the Messiah. Even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are super blessed. As for Bitcoin, as the title says, it is finally happening. It is finally happening for Bitcoin. As we can see here on the 4-hour chart, on the 1-day chart, Bitcoin is pumping like a wild woman in distress. Looking crazy like me on a tractor, training my upper body real hard, skipping leg day, never training calves on this tractor that I rented. Shout out to everybody in the chat. I do pray you are all blessed as the Bitcoin price is once again attempting to break out of the $64,000 level. Today is the day we find out, is Bitcoin going to break above $64,700? Or are we going to get smacked back down to the ground and lose all our precious, hard-earned gains? Shout out to everybody in the chat. Shout out to Jelly Bean. Shout out to Follow Baba. He says, any pumpers and pampers in the chat? Nice. Shout out to Abdeslam Kamel. Shout out to Max Cherry. Gotta pay my $325 ticket today. Man, I hate paying tickets. You know, whenever I get pulled over by the cops, they say, Jason, because they know me by name already, because my YouTube channel is so famous. Do you know how fast you were going? I say, no, I don't, because I was too busy trading and driving, officer. Too busy trading and driving. He's like, well, Jason, I'm going to have to write you a ticket, potentially even take away your driver's license, maybe even put you in prison, which can happen, by the way. And I say, officer, look, don't worry about the ticket. Then I sit down, I show him technical analysis. He's like, oh yeah, huh? He starts thinking about quitting his job to just stay home and trade all day, spend more time with the kids, don't have to be a cop. You know, it must suck to be a cop. Everyone kind of hates you. Some people like you, a lot of people really hate you. You don't know who's who, right? Then you have to be a huge jerk. You have to be a huge male phallus all the time, pulling people over, charging them money to the government for no reason. You know? That's how I get away. That's how I get away with trading and driving. Shout out to Falco. He says, bring in that rocket fuel, baby. Shout out to Selby. He says, keep on walking, baby. We're walking straight up to 100K today, baby. Shout out to Alex. Shout out to Zen. Good day, mate. Good day, mate. How you doing today, mate? Ah, yeah. You got some... All right, my man. He accidentally ran a light going to work at 5 a.m. and the camera got you. Man, I hate those cameras. You know, those cameras will get you every time. You know, from your perspective, you go through, just make it before the red light. But from the camera's perspective, it's already been a red light for like 3 minutes. You know, it's already been red for 3 minutes. You went right through. It's crazy. All right. Shout out to Rajbir Rehal. And the Kiwi Canadian. Shout out to Nee. He says, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. All right, as usual, guys, if we can get 1,000 likes during the first half hour. Man, I got a little crick in my neck this morning. I slept funny on the pillow, man. If we can get 1,000 likes within the first half hour, we will be giving away 1,000 USDT, baby. All right. So let's pop on over to the Bitcoin chart in TradingView and let's just take a look at what's happened here. Unfortunately, guys, the long trade that I took yesterday based on the chat did get stopped out. CryptoFace is still in his, but mine got stopped out because I put a stop loss under the low. So I'm out. All right, if you guys were here yesterday, we took a poll. Should I long? Everyone said yes, I longed and got stopped out. And then we pumped, all right? But this is why we got to wait for our dang levels, right? This is why we got to wait for our dang levels, all right? Shouldn't have taken a trade because there was no level, right? Let it be a lesson to us all, including myself, all right? Losing money for the sake of YouTube sensationalism when the price action does nothing, right? But look, I might lose more money today if you guys like the dang stream so we can give away $1,000, all right? Now, we have come back up to the It's the Bugs level here. This is the level that since Monday morning, we were looking to see, are we going to get a short trade from here? And of course, the answer is yes. We did get the good short trade from here. Now we come back up to the level after bouncing from perfectly. The value area low of the range right down here, okay? You can see we have the value area low of the range. We got a nice little bounce from there, and now we're back up to the top of the range. And the question is, are we going to break? Well, first of all, if you have been following this channel since Monday, You guys know what I said on Monday. Go back and watch the live stream for Monday where I said, I do not think we are going to dump. I think we're going to break out. I think we're going to range for the week and then break out. Why did I say this? Because market Cipher B, the way this daily time frame looks, the way this momentum wave looks, it does not look like these other ones, right? It's like one of these things is not like the other, right? We could pretend this is an episode of Sesame Street. All right, one of them is different. What is different about this? It's smooth. It's flat. All right, it's not intimidating looking. If I saw this momentum wave walking toward me on the street, I wouldn't be intimidated. No. I'd say, what a loser. What a weakling this momentum wave is. Doesn't have any power to push the price to the downside. Now, this guy come walking down the street. Now, I'm gonna go to the other side of the street. All right, El Punto Rojo, the Mexican gangster, aka the red dot here. He's super intimidating. You don't want to mess with him. But you can tell this guy, El Punto Rojo right here, yeah, he's not really a gangster. He just wants to look the part so he can be cool, right? He's not, he doesn't walk the walk, he just talks the talk. And of course, we are still ranging all week, just as we were kind of expecting would happen based on this momentum wave. Now, the 4 hour right here, this trigger wave is going to be a very important, in my opinion, piece of information on the chart that is going to determine how the rest of the week continues. The reason why I say this is because we are seeing the money flow starting to come back up here on the 4 hour. This momentum wave, in my opinion, still has a little bit of movement to the upside. This could actually be the thing that gives us that next big push to our next target at $67,000. Okay, now I'm not saying this is guaranteed to happen, guys. Nothing's guaranteed in trading. All right, nothing's guaranteed. Life isn't fair. All right. Life isn't fair. No one's coming to save you. No one's coming to bail you out. All right. It is what it is. But I would say, still based on this, we have more probability of coming up to 67K than not, right? And so this is going to be a very, very important day, a very, very important weekend. It's a Thursday and tomorrow's a Friday, which means we have still 2 days here. And I would say this, all right? I'm just going to be real with y'all. I still would not be surprised if we come back down to the low of the range and take all the liquidity. All right? I'm going to be honest with you guys. I would not be surprised if we still come down to this box. Because we simply are just trading the range, right? We simply are just going from high to low to high to low to high to low. And it makes the most sense. It doesn't always happen. It doesn't always happen, but it does make the most sense that we do finally come down to take all the liquidity we've been building up under here, guys. Literally, we could even go back to here, honestly, from September 18th to yesterday. We have many, many stop losses under here, which, if you were a big player in the market, you would want to push price down to these areas to fill up a large buy order. From the chickens are thirsty or you will own nothing and be happy. Right? Those are the 2 levels most interested right now in adding to this long trade. But when we look at this 4 hour here, this really could give us a big push. The 12 hours printing a green dot, money flow coming up. The 8 hour printing a green dot, money flow coming up. The 6 hour printing, confirming the green dot, money flow coming up. This momentum wave still has room to the upside. When we come to our lower time frames, like the 24 minute, we're not seeing bearish divergences here. All right, we're just getting another wave. We go to the 12-minute time frame. What are we seeing? I said, what are we seeing? What are we seeing? Aha! We're not seeing bearish divergences like with the money flow just locally right here. And New York has just opened 4 minutes ago. So we have volume being injected into the market right now. Let's check out the order flow in the moment. And let's talk about this little move to the downside right here. Okay, so what happened up here? We did have some longs trapped at the top, guys. That is what happened. We had, unfortunately, about 3.5 million longs opening up at the exact top. And they have since now all been liquidated. All right, basically, we can pretty much see, interestingly enough, everybody who's longed Bitcoin from the price of 63560 is currently out of their long position. So we've seen a lot of longs stepping out, Open interest is down. We got a few shorts opening up. All right, now the market's going to make a move because New York opens up. It gives us the old 1-2. We get the injection of volume, and then we decide how we are going to make that move. All right, overall, things looking like we could still get a push to the upside. We're pushing up against the resistance. The more times you hit a resistance, the weaker it becomes until, bam, you just break out. And honestly, if we are going to break out of this resistance, I would expect some significant follow-through, to be honest with you. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. If we break this level, guys, I am expecting a move up to around the $67,000 area. Right? I'm expecting another, measure it out, another 4%. All right? If we cannot break that level, then we do need to be aware of the potential liquidity grab. But in this instance, I will also be looking for the same dang long trade I've been looking for since Monday, guys. All right? The same dang long I've been looking for since Monday, when we were basically saying we're probably going to range all week and then break out. But it really depends on what happens, and that's why it's so important to wear your depends every single day so that you don't get liquidated, because these have maximum absorbency, right? When you're trading with high leverage, 26x leverage, as can be seen right here, you want to make sure you're wearing maximum absorbency. Look at the confidence this man has. Hand on the hip, look at the face, look at the smile. Why is he so confident? It's because he knows he's not going to get liquidated. If you guys know what I'm saying. So here we go. Bitcoin, New York is opening. We're getting a little bit of a movement. Let's zoom into the 1 minute time frame and see how things are going. All right, look at this. We're getting a little bit of a blue candle here. By the way, guys, if you want to trade on BLOFIN, we still have the 10% cash back offer going on, plus a discount on fees if you use my link, up to a $1,000 future bonus and a chance to win all these prizes. Also, guys, MEXC, best deal on fees. If you can KYC, then MEXC is the way to be, because they have 0% limit order fees, 0.01% taker. All right, absolutely a great thing to do, because you can scalp with market orders and be profitable. So getting back to the Bitcoin price, we are going to be watching how this plays out right now. All right, look at this. We're starting to get a move to the upside. All right, we have this local range, this pre-New York open range right here. We made a low, right? We made a low, we took the low. Now we're trying to get a move back inside the range. We're going to go ahead and pull the 1 minute volume right here back above the value area low of the range. Let's see if we can't get a move up to the value area high of the range right now. And what we are going to do also is we're going to pull our Fibonacci from high to low. And we are going to see that, yeah, okay. Yeah, so let's see if we can't get a move at least up to our Fibonacci golden pocket area, where we have the 6 Juanita Fibonacci, our high school crush, the 618, who broke our heart in high school, because although I thought she had a huge crush on me, like I had a huge crush on her, turns out I was in something called the friend zone. So she broke my heart, she gave me the hand, she gave me the face. I thought we were going to get matching Ben coin tattoos to live happily ever after off our crypto meme coin gains. No, she broke my heart. You can see right here, bam, we got to move to the downside, rejecting right from 6 Juanita. Of course, just above the 618 fib, we have at 64.6, we have the 786 Fibonacci. All right, I tried to ask her out, but she punched me in the face and said, I'm not into dudes. So that was a horrible experience as well. And uh-oh, we are getting a move to the, oh my goodness. All right, come on, Bitcoin, come on, you can do this, baby. All right, no, Bitcoin, no. The title of the video says it's finally happening with the bullish thumbnail. What am I gonna say to all my, what am I gonna say to all the people who clicked on the link? All right, let's check out what's happening here. Okay, massive decrease of open interest, guys. Longs are closing out the wazoo. Longs are closing out and shorts are opening up. All right, longs are closing out, shorts are opening up. Oof, look at that. Oh my,
Holy crap, folks, we're dumping, and it's going to be huge. We got a massive red candle on the chart. Kamala Harris and her cronies are at it again. This is what communism will do, folks. We need to get together and make Jason Casper great again. Let me see a blue candle.
All right, come on, baby. Let's see that blue candle. Come on, President Trump. We need that blue candle. Here we go. We're getting a little bit of a bounce right here on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, all right. Money flow coming up a little bit, but hey, let's check out our 24 minute. All right, oof. VWAP pointing to the downside. Oh no, is it really going to be a rejection? But here's the thing, guys. Here's what we need to keep in mind. New York loves the old 1-2 punch. All right, New York loves the old 1-2 punch. And as we can see, during the past 1 hour, we had a big move to the upside. All right, big move up, money flow coming up. This is the 1 hour time frame. So let's see if we don't just come back down to fill this right here, bounce from 63,960 and then get a move to the upside. In fact, if we pull a fib from the local low to the high, you can see we have a Fibonacci golden pocket at 64K coming in right in the nick of time. In fact, let's even pull a range here and see. Oh my goodness, do you guys see the confluence right here? Do you see the intersectionality coming in right here? Everything intersecting in one place? Absolutely amazing. So if we get a little drop to the downside, maybe we bounce from the line of intersectionality. We get a little bounce from the line, and then we could come back up. All right. So let's see how it goes. All right, let's see how it goes. Look at money flow is getting thick here. Look, 64K is a very key zone right now because if we lose 64K, that is the doorway back down yonder. Back down yonder. If we hold 64K, that is the doorway back up to 67K. And we are seeing right now, we're getting a short squeeze, baby. Short squeeze coming in right now. Let's squeeze the dang shorts, baby. Let's squeeze the shorts. All right. Here we go. Bullish div on the 1 minute. Getting a little bit of a short squeeze. No major change in market structure yet. All right, nothing yet. Nothing yet, but we are starting to squeeze a few shorts because we don't have any new buyers coming in. There's no longs coming in here. No longs coming in, no shorts coming in. Massive decrease of OI, but we did have some shorts opening up here. Now we're starting to reverse the price on them. All right, we're coming to the daily value area high. We come above here, that opens up the gateway to more upside. It's all about opening up the gate, guys. All right, we got our support down below. If we get another drive to the bottom, 64K, major support. All right, you could say maybe we're bouncing from this support resistance flip here. All right, we get another drive to the downside. We're looking down towards $64,000 where we're looking for that Bitcoin price to get the bounce. Bam, support resistance flip, boom, to the upside, baby. Now here we go. All right, let's see. Are we going to hit our $67,000 take profit today, baby? We're going to raise it up. $67,000 take profit today. Are we going to hit it? All right, let's see. We might. We might. Make sure to like the stream. We got 1,000 people, 300 likes. Oh my goodness. All right, we got the VWAP there also. It says Alas Gur Tinwala. Alas Gur Tinwala says we got the VWAP. All right, let's put on our VWAP. VWAP. Oh man, you're right. Okay. Here we go, baby. New York with the old 1-2 punch. New York with the old 1-2 punch. All right, we're gonna have to pop our trades on over a little bit on the screen here. Give me un segundo over here, guys. That way we can see the screen as well as the... There we go. All right. All right, Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. Is this a diamond reversal? Is this a diamond reversal pattern right here? Where's Carl from the moon when you need him? Is this a diamond reversal pattern? Carl! Where you at, my man? When are we going to do our movie together?
Hello, I would like to get a Big Mac meal.
All right, we need a diamondologist in here. We need a diamondologist. Is this a diamond pattern on the Bitcoin chart? Look, it looks like we're breaking out the diamond pattern, baby. About to squeeze the shorts to a new all-time high. We're going to hit our take profit at $67,000, baby. Here we go. Come on, Bitcoin, come on, you can do it. Look at this, the 1 minute time frame giving us a massive bullish engulfing. Let's check out the order flow. A few longs starting to step in right now, just a few, not too many, just a few. Let's see if we can't squeeze these shorts. All these people trying to short Bitcoin. I'll tell you. But we saw President Trump, he said, let me see a blue candle, baby. And here's the thing, guys, the Democrats are pissed about this Bitcoin pump that's happening right now. All right. In fact, I just sat down with President Biden before the stream. about the pump, and he was upset about the pump. He didn't want the pump to happen. This is what he had to say.
Now, let me be clear. I've been dead since 2019, and every time you've seen me on TV, it's either been a deep fake or a body double. But the science is settled. This is all Trump's fault.
So look, he says it's Trump's fault for the Bitcoin pump. And yeah, I mean, look. It's happening, man. We're pumping, baby. That's what I like to see. All right? We got a little Agent Orange sprayed into the Bitcoin price here. Agent Orange, that's when you take the essence of Trump and put it in a little spray bottle and spray it all over the dang Bitcoin price. Here we go, baby. We are pumping up. Come on. New York Open, giving us the old 1-2. All right, giving us the old 1-2. Here we go. Come on, let's get a dang short squeeze up in here. Let's get a dang short squeeze up in here. We are long. We are strong, baby. We are... Oh, no. Don't give us a purple candle. Oh, man. Here we go. We're pumping, baby. Man, I love this pump. Got me feeling giddy. As giddy as a schoolgirl. Here we go, baby. We are pumping the Bitcoin price up. Look, we are coming up to resistance. About to bust out and go the distance. This purple candle, come on. Come on. Come on, man. This purple candle don't mean that. Come on, man. Obviously, we got a diamond reversal pattern. We're breaking out. Me and Carl from the Moon about to make a video. We're long. We're up 20K, 30K, 40K, 50K. Who knows? But we're heading to 67K. Maybe today, if we can break out of this dang resistance here. And I will say this. I like how the 1 minute time frame starting to look. Money flow starting to curve to the upside. The 6 minute time frame about to give us a nice little trigger wave right here. Yeah, we had some bear divs at the top. But look, guys, honestly, if we get another drive to the downside, key support right here. All right, let's zoom out. Let's regather our thoughts, our feelings here. Let's take a deep breath. All right, we're coming down. Value area high of the range. Fibonacci golden pocket. All right, the 6 Juanita. She's going to be there to give us support. Yeah, she rejected us when we asked her out, but because we're in the friend zone, she will be there to give us support. And also, here's the thing, 786, although she won't date us, she will definitely fight for us if we're in a fight, and she will punch those bad guys in the face with the beard. She'll give them a nice chin smack with that pointy... You know what I'm trying to say. But look. Here we go. Getting another blue. Getting another blue. Getting another blue. How does it do? Getting another blue, baby. Here we go. Uh-oh. Nah, we don't want no purple. We don't want no purple. We just want the blue. Alright, shout out to everybody in the chat. God bless you guys. Make sure to smash up the likes because we got 1,400 people, only 400 likes. And if everyone likes this stream right now, we can give away $1,000 because the rule is $1,000 in the first half hour. We'll give away $1,000 if we get 1,000 likes. Now, I'll extend the time a little bit, all right? I'll extend the time over a few minutes. I'm going to set a timer now. We technically only have 2 minutes, but I'm going to give a timer for an extra 3 minutes, all right? 5 minute timer. Let's see if we can't smash up the likes to the watchers. How do you say to the moon in Spanish? I don't even know how to say I don't know in Spanish. That's how bad my Spanish is. Yo no hablo español. Yo no comprende. La luna. Is that how you say it? La luna. Al luna. Is it al, right? When you combine two and the. Like, ayer yo fui al parque. Yesterday I went to the park. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Look. My grandfather would be very disappointed in my Espanol abilities, guys. Alright? He'd be very disappointed in my Espanol abilities. But, hey, it's his fault, right? He could have taught my mom Spanish, but he didn't. My mom could have taught me Spanish, but she didn't. And now I'm a third generation. You know? Los tres generations, mucho blanco. Mucho gringo, tres generaciones. Alright? But that blue candle is turning perp. Let's see what we got going on. Alright, a little bit of increase of OI. Remember, New York likes to give us the old 1-2 punch, baby. New York likes to give us the old 1-2 punch. Would you look at this, though, with the Eat the Bugs level? We front ran that. This is our third time. You know, some people would call this a 3-touch setup for a short trade. But look, again, here's what we're looking at, guys. Let's come back to our 1 hour. Let's zoom out. When in doubt, zoom it out. All right. We got VWAP, we got golden pocket, we got 786, we got value area high, we got support resistance flip. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. All right, let's go to the 30-minute time frame. We have a 30-minute order block right there as well. This box is looking nice. This box definitely wants to hold, baby. She wants to hold. The box wants to hold. All right. It wants to hold. Okay, cool. All right. And we're going to go down to the lower time frame, to the 1 minute. We're holding so far, guys. We broke out the diamond pattern. Carl from the Moon came in driving the Maserati. We went to McDonald's. We got a Big Mac. Everyone's like, oh my goodness, why are you at McDonald's in a Maserati? Aren't you too rich for that? Nah, we ain't too rich for that. A Big Mac tastes good no matter how rich you are. You know what I'm saying? Especially in Dubai. Less chemicals in the food out there, so I hear. But what do I know? I've never been to Dubai. All right, haven't ever left the farm. I'm just a farm boy out here. Just a farm boy out here chilling on the tractor. Just chilling on the tractor, guys, you know? Only training arms and chest, never legs, definitely never calves. Just a good old farm boy out here. All right, here we go. Bitcoin is, she's struggling. All right, she's getting a little struggle. All right, but we're going to do our TA here as well. So we'll go to our 1 hour. That way we don't have to keep switching back and forth between TradingView and ByBit here. We're going to go ahead and pop this onto the chart right here. Here we got our beautiful support resistance flip. We've got our beautiful Fibonacci golden pocket from the low to the high. And we've got our nice, beautiful value area. All right, let's put that on the chart as well. I like trading on ByBit because I chart on ByBit, right? So it makes everything much more fun and interesting and enjoyable to me. All right, so we're going to go ahead and we are going to, let's see, yeah, 270 POC. Can I get those things on? I can't get those things on. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh wait, no. Huh. I guess I can't get those lines, but that's okay. We know where our value area high is. It's right around that same area, all right? So here we go, guys. This is what we got. We're going to put our box on the chart. Here we go. As long as we don't lose that level, it's all gravy. It's all gravy. I'm talking about Italian gravy, which is really tomato sauce with meatballs in it. That's Italian gravy, right? All right, here we go. You know how I learned about Italian gravy? I learned it from Dolores at the diner, all right? She makes Italian gravy at home. All right, her mother made it. Her mother's mother made it. She get a big pot. She put it on the stove and keep it there for like 2 days. Just the tomato sauce. Keeps simmering over. She put the sausages in it, the meatballs in it, the peppers and the onions. She let it sit there all day. You walk into her house, it would smell real good. All right? It would smell like a bullish divergence on market Cipher B. All right, time is going off. Let's see if we got enough. Let's see if we got enough likes to do a $1,000 giveaway here. Unfortunately, nah. All right, unfortunately, nah. But maybe next time, guys. Maybe next time. All right. All right. Is Indian gravy better? I'm sure it is. I don't know if I've ever had Indian gravy. All right. I have eaten a lot of Indian food though. Yeah, shout out to King Forever. You live in Dubai, your tongue slipped. You're right, I do live in Dubai. Shout out to Crypto Coons in the chat. Holding it down with the wrench. Shout out to Crypto Crank. Am I adding to the trade? If we break out, I'm adding to the trade, but I'm not going to add it at this golden pocket, not yet. Looks like it wants to go to sleep for a few hours. Well, hey, you know how New York likes to do the old 1-2. Jay, you need to get out more. Man, I don't leave the homestead, guys. I don't. She has a big what? She has a big pot, all right? This guy in a treadmill, question mark? Nah, I'm not in a treadmill, guys. I'm out in the forest walking, all right? I have a backpack on. The backpack has a pull-out green screen, and I have a selfie stick coming out the front of my chest that holds the laptop in the front, and I'm walking to 100K. I'm scaling Mount Bull Run to 100K. I'm walking. Look, you could tell my hands. Oh man, look at how gross. You know, that's called chalk. All right, you could tell when a guy lifts weights, because look at that, man. Chalk and calluses. Chalk and calluses, baby. All right, shout out to Daniel Ramirez holding along from 63. Shout out to Rules Crypto. I wouldn't take any signals on a news day. Is it a news day? Is it a news day? Every day's a news day, guys. Look at the 5-minute time frame. Let's check back out this. What's happening here? Not much. Let's check out Market Cipher. All right, we're starting to break out the diamond pattern. Shout out. I knew you would come through for me, Carl. Carl, I knew you would come through. Oh, Carl, I knew that you would come through. All right. Here we go. Maybe we're getting a little bit of a move here, guys. All right, getting a little bit of a move. All right. Here we go. Getting that pump, baby. Getting that pump. This one goes out to Carl from the moon, baby. The one who taught me how to trade a diamond pattern with a spoon. Spoon feeding me those dang trade signals over on YouTube. Get me to sign up over on ByBit, baby. Make sure to click the link in the description. This one goes out to you. Yeah. New York opened, Bitcoin started to dump, and I was scared because I thought we would pump. I made a thumbnail super bullish. Hopefully now we're not looking like we're squirrelish in the skimmel of the downside. Bitcoin trying to ride every day when we're looking from the left to the right side. Then I look over, I see Carl from the moon looking kinda clover. He said, yo Jay, we got a diamond pattern forming on the chart. That's what you say in the lantern. To shine the light at night we're trading. Hopefully we don't get in a fight. Shout out to Carl from the moon, giving trade signals, feeding me with a spoon in the morning when I eat my cereal. The Bitcoin price about to go delirial. We're coming back down. The Bitcoin price wants to turn all around. Then we go up. Don't make a frown. Only smile here because we're leaving town. Yeah, the Bitcoin price about to blast like a car full tank of gas. We got the blue candles starting to pump. Bitcoin price is not in a slump. Yeah, shout out to the people in the chat. Got mad people in here. What you know about that? 1,400, 700 likes. Jason Casper walks and he never rides his bike. Got a little bit of consolidation. The Bitcoin ranging. Trepidation in my head. Hopefully we pick a direction. And if we don't Bitcoin, we'll get a rejection. Yeah, just trying to rap. A white guy on the web. What you think about that? Let's go to the 12-minute chart. Got the beautiful blue candles, nice work of art. Then we go to EXO. What do you know? We're gonna take a look at the order flow. We got the decrease of OI, long start to fly, then the short squeeze. Hopefully the bulls don't cry. Yeah, if we break out today, the Bitcoin's gonna pump. Now let me hear you say that we're going straight up to 67K, where we hit our take profits. Hip hip hooray! Oh no, when I look at this Bitcoin in my bladder, gotta take a piss. I feel the pressure like no other. Escher, measure, treasure in the tesher. Yeah, but we're wearing our Depends, trading Bitcoin with all our good friends, absorbing seed so we don't get liquidated. 26x, now that's trepidation, cause you gotta be confident when you're trading with leverage and don't get bent out of shape. Hopefully we don't hate the bears and the bulls looking to dependamate. Coming back to the Bitcoin chart, little blue candle, but then we're gonna go far. And over here in the chat, base clips, did you get stopped on the short? Heck no, man. 5G says good vibes, and Marine is dancing. Let me hear you stay alive. Yo, Patrick, my man, what is going on? Shout out to Patrick, shout out to Patrick. All right, we're pumping, baby. All right, shout out to Carl. Shout out to Carl, here we go. We're about to break. New York gave us the old 1-2. Here we go. Here we go, baby. We're pumping. We're pumping. We're pumping, baby. All right, now let's pull our fib, right? Let's pull our fib.
Crystal made that hit, boy.
Oh, right to the 618. Do you see that? To the 618. To the 618. Yeah. We got a pump right into the 618. We had blue candles, but now it's not looking great. As we come up, I begin to frustrate myself in a long. Hopefully I don't hate decisions that I made to take the trade. Coming to the treadmill just to get paid. When we're walking here every single day, looking this way, then looking that way to the order flow chart. What does it say? A little bit of increase of OI today. Low volume coming in down here. 1.6 million volume, my dear. We take a look at the net longs, net shorts. Hopefully the next traders don't get hurt. But as we look at the POC, 324K between you and me. That is called an imbalance. Bitcoin traders are taking the challenge. Hopefully we don't all lose our balance. Jumping up and down when we're looking at a trellis. Coming back down to ByBit. Hopefully we sit here while Jay spits. Then we listen to what the president had to say. Trump and Biden, they said it all the way. Trump said, holy crap, a red candle. Bitcoin's dumping, but can we get a handle? Then we saw Joe Biden say, I've been dead since 2019. And every time you see me on the TV, it's been a deep fake, if you know what I mean. Maybe a body double, don't mean to cause trouble, but I can't make a sentence, I only start to bubble out my mouth. Just like this lady, oh my goodness, she's getting kinda crazy. But we come back to the ByBit chart. Oh no, the 618, now we start to dart. Rejection, direction, the Bitcoin price has gotten that rejection. Purple candles coming out of my heart. Jason Casper, where do I even start? Can you believe it? We made a lower low, then we made a higher high. Jason, you're so stupid for longing. You idiot, now you're gonna cry because your long trade's about to get wrecked. What do you think Bitcoin will do next? As we come up and we see the reject, the 786, she's sitting on deck. If we can pump above the 618, then we know the 786 is looking great. She's looking at us with those beautiful eyes and the blonde hair, the beard, a man in disguise. Who would have thought that this was a guy? I don't know, but hopefully the Bitcoin price flies. We got the rejection, now we switch direction. Got the blue candles like a nice erection. Yeah, like a nice erection. Yeah, look at this, we're pumping up higher. Got the blue candles looking just like a fire. Then we're dribbling on the chart. The Bitcoin looking like a nice work of art. Hopefully make a higher high so the price starts to fly. Then we break out of each above 67. My oh my. All right. All right, okay, so we might be able to get that move, all right? Here we go, baby, we're pumping. This is what we're talking about, all right? This is what we're talking about, baby. All right, next stop, 786. Next stop, 786. All right, let's go, baby. Then we break out. And if we break out, let's go back to market Cipher B on the 4 hour. All right. Let's go back to, yeah, there's still upside here, guys. There's still a little bit of upside. New York Open gave us the old one, too. All right, a little bit of increase of OI here. Relentless pump. All right, Bitcoin is relentless, baby. Bitcoin is relentless. We break out of here. We're going to eat the bugs again. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. All right. Here we go. Here we go. We break out of here. We're going to go to eat the bugs. And then we are going to 67. And we're going to hit take profit at 67, man. That's a bold move. All right. That's a bold move. But we can do it. That's a bold move, but we can do it, guys. 4 hour, more upside. Look at this 12-hour green dot of printing, baby. 12-hour green dot of printing, baby. Yep, look at that. Money flow getting higher. All right, and remember, El Punto Verde, the Mexican gangsta on the weekly time frame, printed last week. That's why this whole week, and I could still be wrong. All right, I'm not saying I was right in hindsight. I've been saying since Monday, I expect us to range and then break out based on this momentum wave on market Cipher B. All right, yeah, we had a red dot, El Punto Rojo. But we've already determined that El Punto Rojo right here, this guy, He's not a real gangster, all right? He's not. He's just wearing the clothes, talking the talk. He doesn't walk the walk, right? He doesn't have those deep connections to really move the price. He's been exposed as a fake, all right? And then El Punto Verde on the weekly time frame, this dude, he's confirmed. He is a confirmed legit, right? Look at this beautiful VWAP coming higher here. And look at this volume profile here, guys. Let's just take a quick look. Let's just take a moment to appreciate. Just take a quick moment to appreciate the beauty of this, all right? We're going to take a quick moment to appreciate the beauty of this, guys. Look at this. Does this look to you? What do you think is more probable right now? All right, look at market Cipher B on the week. What do you think is more probable? That we come up to the high volume node of the range, confluence with the trend line, or that we just randomly dump from right here? All right, we haven't even taken out the $65,000 high yet. All right, we haven't even taken out this high yet, guys. Why would we dump from here? It just doesn't make sense, right? Here we go, baby. Bitcoin pumping. Let's go down to our 1 minute again. Let's go down to our 1 minute again. Oh, come on. With these purple candles. That's not what I want to see, baby. Come on. Oh, my goodness. Holy crap.
Holy crap, folks, we're dumping, and it's going to be huge. We got a massive red candle on the chart. Kamala Harris and her cronies are at it again. This is what communism will do, folks. We need to get together and make Jason Casper great again. Let me see a blue candle.
All right, let me see a blue candle, baby. And look, as soon as Trump says, let me see a blue candle, look at this. A blue candle, baby. We got one blue candle right here. Blue candle, baby. That's what we're talking about with the blue candle. All right. We got the blue candle coming on in. Where do we begin? Got the blue candle coming on in. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Benny Crypto says, Jason, why did you tell people to long the top? Benny Crypto, I don't know what to tell you, my man. But look, we've literally been here all week saying, don't take a trade. We've literally been here all week, man. I have been sitting here all week saying, I am not going to take a long trade unless we come down to the chickens are thirsty or you will own nothing. These are the levels on the chart. We have been patiently waiting for the levels on the chart. We have not come to the level on the chart. Okay? You got to be patient for the level on the chart. So is it me or is it you not being patient for the level on the chart? All right? The only trade I took this whole week, besides the one that I was peer pressured into yesterday, was a short from Easy Bugs, which was a trade setup I told everyone I was looking for all the way back on Monday. And I haven't taken a single long here because I've been waiting for lower, all right? So, look, I'm not telling anybody to long the top. If you are a follower of this channel, you know what I say, all right? You know what I say. Just because I'm bullish doesn't mean I think it's a good idea to take a long. And that's a big thing that you need to differentiate, Benny, because look, just because you think the price is going to go up doesn't mean you have a long setup, right? We're traders here. We teach people about how to look for a setup with a clearly defined entry, stop loss, and take profit using good risk management and good risk to reward ratios. Yeah, I'm bullish. Heck yeah, I'm looking for 67K. But this is a long trade that I've been in since, honestly, down here. All right, this is a long trade I've literally been in since $57,000. All right. I told everybody in the Casper Crew VIP Discord that I was taking the trade. All right. Let's see. Right here. All right. $57,000. I told everybody I was taking the trade in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. All right. I wasn't very confident. I only entered with 50% of my position. All right. Then it just so happened to be the bottom. All right. This is the last long trades that I have taken. And I've been adding to it along the way up, right? It's the last major long idea that I've had. Since then, we've been patiently waiting for our levels, my man. All right, patiently waiting. Trading is like fishing. You got to patiently wait. All right, you got to patiently wait. But here's another thing, Benny. You have to understand also, my man, this is YouTube. Yes, we are breaking out. This is YouTube. Here we go, Benny. See, the thumbnail was right. You can't trade YouTube thumbnails. But sometimes the thumbnail is right, and today's right, because we're breaking out. Ha 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 ha! Amazing! Here we go, baby. Bitcoin breaking out, going right to $67,000. Look, you can't trade YouTube thumbnails, man. We gotta be sensational. We're YouTubers. There's literally a trillion crypto YouTubers out there. In the attention economy, we're all fighting for the dopamine of you guys, right? We gotta be sensational. What would you click on a video that says, Bitcoin's probably going to do nothing for the rest of the week, but I'm going to live stream for 2 hours anyway, as the Bitcoin price does nothing. Come on, man. That's not gonna get any views, right? Especially when Carl from the Moon's out there with a big open mouth, Crypto Faces live with a $10 million trade, and everyone else is super sensational. Come on, man. We got to get our plungers ready, baby. We got to get our Pikachu hats on. This is pure entertainment. If you go to socialblade.com, you'll see this channel is entertainment only. All right? We're here to entertain only. All right? We don't even trade real money here. This is all demo account. Everyone knows. People accuse Crypto Face of trading demo. I always say, hey, if you want to see a real demo account, pop on over to the Jason Casper channel. Because I don't risk anything. Because risking money is risky. And the purpose of life is to avoid all risks at all costs. No matter what. You want to avoid all risk. That's why I don't leave the house. That's why I don't trade real money. That's why I don't eat food. Because food could make you sick. I don't drink water because water could make you sick and you could die of water poisoning. I don't take a poo on the toilet either because I could fall in and get flushed down the drain and drown. I don't brush my teeth because I could shove the toothbrush down my throat. But here we go, baby. Bitcoin breaking out. Let's add a little bit to the trade. We're going to add right now long in the top, baby. Long in the top, baby. Come on, Bitcoin. Long in the top. Let's add another. Let's add a little bit more here. Here we go. All right. All right. This is risky, guys. Don't try this at home. All right, let's get another. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go, baby. Let's pump it. Let's pump it. Actually, our first take profit, now that I'm $200,000 long, let's go for these highs at 65.050. 65.050. We're going to take out a little 25. All right, let's go, baby. We're going to hit that little take profit right up there. Then we're going to let the rest simmer in the pot, like the pot of gravy that Dolores cooks over here. All right, at the diner. Come on, Bitcoin, you could do it. You could do it. It's about time we took more profits out of this trade, all right? It's about time we could do it, all right? Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. All right, here we go, baby. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. Come on, Bitcoin. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, man. Come on. Come on. Are you messing with me right now? Bitcoin, are you messing with me right now? Come on. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. Come on. All right, let's see here. Let's take a look. Oh. 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 Oh, Jason, you fool. Jason, you fool! You imbecile! All right, let's check out the order flow here. Let's see what happened. Ooh. All right, let's go to the 15-minute. All right, okay. Not looking so bad, actually. We're going to hodl in here. We're going to hodl in here. We're going to hit our take profit, my dear. All right, we're going to hodl, take the profit. All right, here we go. We're coming up. We're coming up, baby. Oh, yeah, you're right. We do need a pump song here. We do need a pump song. All right, yeah, let's get the pump song. I don't know. I think we need a little time before we pump here because we just did. All right, yeah, we'll do the pump song. All right, we'll do the pump song. Let's see what can happen. We'll just do the pump song. All right, this is guaranteed to pump the Bitcoin price every single time. The pump song. All right, here we go. Come on, Bitcoin, come on. We need a pump, baby. We need a pump, baby. Guaranteed to pump the Bitcoin price every single time. Yeah, we got some purple candles. All right. We got some purple candles. Oh no, the ES is dumping. Oh no! Oh no! Don't worry, we got this, baby. We got this. We got this, we got this, we got this. Let's go, baby, let's go. Come on. Let's go, baby. Let's pump. Let's pump! Come on, let me see a blue candle, baby. Yeah! Here we go. Here we go. Get ready. We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pump! Let's go, baby! Here we go! We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pump! We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pump! We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pump! Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go! We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pump! We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pump! We're gonna dump! You gotta get a lot! Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go! Yeah! Yeah! Let's pump! Plunge it to the upside, baby. Come on! Come on! How's the volume? 22 million volume. Let's go, baby. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pop. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pop. We're gonna dump. Yeah, we're gonna pop. Pump the Bitcoin, baby. Let's go. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pop. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pop. We're gonna dump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby. Let's go. Yeah. All right. Where's the stop loss? There is no stop loss! Let's go, baby! Come on, Bitcoin, yeah! That's what I'm talking about, baby! Blech! Let me get a blech! Come on! We're gonna pump the Bitcoin straight to 100K. Let me see a blue candle, baby! Let me see a blue candle! Come on, Bitcoin! You can do it! Shout out the car from the moon with the diamond pattern coming in, baby! In the Maserati! Here we go! To the take profit, yeah. Come on. We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pop! We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pop! We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pop! Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go! We're gonna dump! Yeah, we're gonna pop! We're gonna dump! Yeah, we're gonna pop! We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pop! Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go! Yeah! Yeah! We're pumping Bitcoin, baby! Yeah! We're pumping Bitcoin, baby! Yeah! We're pumping Bitcoin! Yeah! We're pumping Bitcoin! Yeah, we're gonna dump! Yeah, we're gonna pump! Yeah, we're gonna pump! No, we're gonna pump right now! See, it's guaranteed to pump the Bitcoin price every single time. Oh man, talk about changing vibes. But here we go. Here we go. Let's pump the Bitcoin straight to 100K. Yeah, we're gonna pump the Bitcoin straight to 100K. Let me see a blue candle. Pump the Bitcoin straight to 100K. Let me see a blue candle. Now we're pumping. Let me see a blue candle. Now we're pumping. Let me see a blue candle. Now we're pumping straight to the moon. Now we're pumping straight to the moon. Yeah! Yeah! Here we go, baby! Let's pump it up. Let's pump this Bitcoin. She's going straight up to 100K. 100K. We're pumping Bitcoin. She's going straight up to 100K. 100. Yeah. We're gonna pump the Bitcoin straight to 100K. Let me see a blue candle. Pump the Bitcoin straight to 100K. Let me see a blue candle. Now we're pumping. Let me see a blue candle. Now we're dumping. Oh no! Let me see a blue candle. Now we're pumping straight down the road. Now we're pumping straight down the road. Yeah. All right. Let's slow this breakdown down a little bit for all the fat hardcore kids out there in the mosh pit. Oh yeah. Let's pump the Bitcoin going straight up to 100K. Let's go. Yeah. Let's pump this Bitcoin. We're going straight up to 100K. 100K. We're pumping Bitcoin straight up to 100K. 100. Yeah. Here we go, baby. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. Yes. Yes. We done did it, guys. We done did it, baby. We done did it. Here we go. We're pumping it straight up. It's about to hit our take profit, baby. Yeah. Oh, come on. Are you kidding me? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Yes. We did it, guys. We did it together. All right. Yeah. That's right. Check it out. We did it together like a bird flying high, just dropping a feather. Cause we came right up to the next take profit. Then we got it. Nice hit, man. Can you even spot it? Up $4,000 on the day when we're coming to the treadmill just to get paid. Cause we broke out. Hip, hip, hooray. And now we celebrate like we're doing every single day. Next stop, 67K. Bitcoin bout to pump. Now let me show the way. As we print only blue candles for the rest of the year. Bitcoin, sit back, relax, my dear. And sit back while Jay Casper spits it in your ear. Talking about the Bitcoin price action here. Come over to Market Cipher. Take a look, how's it looking? Kind of hyper. The 4-hour Market Cipher beat. I'll tell you a secret between you and me. This morning when we came down and we saw the anchor wave, we knew we would break and pave the way to an all-time high where Bitcoin's gonna fly. All the bears in the house or trades are gonna die, cause we come to the daily time frame. Bitcoin pumping and she's staying the same. 65K about to take the high. Then we break out above, right into the sky. 67, that's next, pumping really high. Hopefully we don't think that we can fly. Gotta be careful in the trade when you're looking for the way. 1 hour money flow starting to stray. Coming up above the 60 level. Bitcoin price about to pump, hear the shovel. But just know we could get a pullback from here, because we took the high, my dear. But still things are looking bullish, let me put it in your ear. I think that we break and come up to here. Then we go to Market Cipher B. Let's take a peek, and what do we see? Do we see any butt cheeks coming in today? Juicy on the left and skinny on the right side way. Then we come to the chart, technical analysis like a work of art. Let's see. Then we take a look at the Market Cipher B, and we take at the 12-minute between you and me. So yesterday we come down here, you could see that the price was getting lower, my dear. Then we take a look at our oscillator. Said see you later, got the money flow coming up and the momentum weighs my meter. Yeah, but now we're getting a rejection. The Bitcoin price has to pick a new direction. Cause you see right here, hopefully we don't got upside down butt cheeks, my dear. Go ahead and take a screenshot, put it right on the chart. Got the technical analysis like a work of art. Oh no! Now I'm rapping like a German person here with my accent, my dear. Okay, we can get a little move down, but then we could see a nice turnaround. We take a look at the range, volume pull. Hopefully we're here to make some change, making higher highs, making higher lows. Then we're gonna come and do the fib pull, take it from the low back to the high. Hopefully we come down, then we hit the sky. We got the golden pocket come for the retest. Bitcoin got to break out. Let me show you what she's best at. But to the 4 hour, we got a slight bear div, but no power. I think we could come higher, think the price is on fire. Playing my guitar, not a Fender, but a Squire. Okay, alright, okay, alright. Alright, okay. Man, sorry, I get a little bit too hyped up, alright? Too hyped up. We hit that take profit, alright? And a little bit too hyped up on the take profit, alright? So let's be real, alright? We're gonna be honest, alright? We've taken this liquidity, objectively speaking, with bear divs. So there's a chance we get a pullback from here, okay? But overall, I think it's more probable we come higher. Yeah, Here we go. About to do some TA with my crypto flow. Shout out to the chat, baby. I want to take you back to August 23rd. We have a double high. Haven't you heard? This was the Fibonacci golden pocket. When we hit it, then the price started to rocket, but not in the way that we wanted, because we started to drop. Bitcoin came down and hit the spot. We're gonna take another fib from the low to the high. And would you look, what do I see in my eye? We came down to the key support. All the bears in the trade, they got hort. We take a look at the trade that we're in now. That's the long from the bottom. Hope you're not a cow. Hope that you're a human being, if you know what I mean. Then we gotta bounce back to the green line at the top, but we took liquidity, and that means we gotta look a little squiddy, cause when you come to take a previous high, look at market Cipher. Try not to cry, but if you see the upside down butt cheeks, you have to know a dump could take a peek to the next low. So we take it on the chart down below, we stretch it out, and what do you know? Slight bearish divergence, looking a bit emergent. Hopefully we hold and we don't have a scourgent, but here's the thing, if we come a little bit lower, we could see a drop, but don't you know, as long as we're still in the uptrend, don't you know the trend is your best friend? We could come back down to 62.3. Get a liquidity grab, you know what I mean? Basically the opposite of what happened here. People get scared at the bottom, my dear. But as long as we're making higher highs and higher lows, sit back and listen to my crypto flow, because if we come here, get a nice liquidity grab, the Bitcoin's gonna pump like no pump we've ever had. Yeah, shout out to Joe Biden. The man can't talk even though he is trying. Shout out to Mrs. Harris over here looking like in Paris with the teeth on her face, looking quite strange. You know, but we are trading, making change. Rejection, flipping direction, Bitcoin price, no, we want to see an erection with a massive blue candle about to pump. Bitcoin price, we don't want it in a slump. We got the green trigger wave down on the 4 hour, and we know that it still has a little more power to pump us up. Yeah, we hit some resistance, no need to worry, think we still go the distance, because we go back to the daily time frame. Remember, the volume pull is still the same. Hold above the value area low. The probabilities, how do they go? They say most probable coming to 67K like a permabull. Yeah, that's all I gotta say about that. That's all I gotta say about it. Oh crap, no beat. Alright, no beat. That's okay. Alright, well, I had a beat in my ear. Sounded good to me. That's all that counts. That's all that counts. All right, so look, all the things I said are so true, all right? The things I just said are true. We're going to get back to our normal music. All right, everything I said is true. Even though it was cringy white boy music. we are, in my opinion, still looking more probable for upside here, okay? Could we get a pullback here? Yeah, we could get a pullback here. We took some liquidity. We should expect a bit of a pullback here. I still say 67K is more probable, to be honest with you, all right? I still say 67K is a bit more probable. But yeah, technically speaking, guys, technically speaking, all right, technically speaking, this could be a bit of a move to the downside from here, honestly. Could be. But we hit our take profit, all right? We hit our nice take profit here, and that's all that really counts. So, if we take the lows, you know I'm going to be looking to get back in, all right? If we take the lows, you know I'm going to be looking to get back in. But where do we look for local support right now, all right? Where do we look for local support? Let's pull the fib once again. Let's come back to TradingView. All right, let's come back to TradingView. We'll pull the volume of this range right here. Right now, I would say the place to look for support is going to be the high volume node right here at the golden pocket. The reason why I say this is because we have made a higher high, right? Even though it's a CDW, still within the range. We got our low, our high, our higher low, our higher high. So then we can look for a higher low and then something like this, right? So if we get a significant move down to the golden pocket 786 area, this is where, honestly, I'm probably going to add to my trade again. I'm gonna add to my long trade if we come down to that area, because I literally have nothing to lose. If I keep the stop by my entry, I literally have nothing to lose, right? So, yeah, we're going to be looking for a move potentially now down to here. This is the next place I would look to add to a long. All right, guys? Right around here. All right, now we got to be patient for the level. If we come down, right? We might not come down. All right? CryptoFace got shut down? What do you mean? Hang on, let's check it out. What do you mean he got shut down? He didn't mean to shut his stream? Huh. Oh my goodness, stream unavailable. Suspended for policy violations. What the heck, man? What the heck? Oh my goodness. CryptoFace, man. What? That sucks, bro. I can't believe they did that. Why did they do that? What did he violate? What did he violate? What did he violate? How did I meet Bo John in White Phoenix? I went to the Find Some Good Traders conference, and they were right there. They were right there. That's crazy, man. He was streaming music. Too much black metal. Atreyu, I don't consider that black metal. I don't consider that stuff black metal. Could you show EXO real quick? Sure, let's take a look at EXO real quick, guys. Whoa. Big decrease of OI on this way down here, but here, let's look at the 15-minute chart. That break happened on some pretty significant volume, man. 72 million volume, 19 million positive delta. Let's see if we can't keep getting a pump here, guys. Yeah, I truly believe if we're gonna get a pullback here, I think it's going to be a temporary pullback, and then I think we are going to hit 67. Like, I just feel it in my bones, baby. All right, we're going to hit our next take profit. Oh, he started to show an Oprah Hillary. Oh, gotcha. Oh, he said the N-word and made a homo joke. Interesting. He was playing some hardcore heavy metal. Oh, Crypto Face was playing hardcore heavy metal. Gotcha. Oh. Okay, gotcha. Well, Crypto Face, man, I hope nothing happens like to the channel. I remember a while ago they actually took his channel down, but he got it back. Time for the pump music again. Well, let's see, guys, because you know we've already given it everything we got. All right, we did the pump song, we did the straight to 100K song, we did like 5 freestyles. One of them had no music to it. All right, so let's see what happens here. We gotta wait a little bit before we hit the 67K. If we make another higher high, then maybe we could get another pump or something. All right, get another little pump or something. But this is nuts. This is nuts. Here we go. All right. All right. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Make sure to like the stream. Oh, he was playing Cradle of Filth. Oh, so that is really black. Oh, so you were talking about Crypto Face's black metal. Okay. I used to listen to Cradle of Filth back in the day. What vile music, honestly. Shout out to Crypto Pumpit. Shout out to Dusty Hodler. He says straight to 100K is a low-key banger. Did Crypto Face short? Says somebody. I don't know. I don't know. We're developing bearish CVD. Let's see. Are we developing bearish CVD? Yeah, a little bit here. But, yeah, we are developing some bearish CVD here. A little bit, yeah. Yeah, we're developing some bearish CVD here. But it could be leading CVD, alright? Let's check out how market Cipher looks. We could get a pullback from here, guys. Let's just be real. I'm not gonna sit here and say that after taking the liquidity grab of August 23rd and then losing the level, that's not that does leave us open for a pullback. And if we do get a pullback, I would be interested in 63.5, 63, basically this box right down here, right? If we do get a pullback, I would be looking to, and I'm not saying we're gonna get this. If we get a pullback, this is the place I would like to long now, right? Because that would give us a continuation higher low after making our low, our higher low yesterday, our higher high. If we don't bounce from here, then we still need to be open to looking for a massive liquidity grab of all the lows and basically looking to long below 62.3, right? This is really where, because if we're gonna, let's remove everything real quick, all right? Let's just look at this objectively. We have ourselves the range, right? We have ourselves the range. If we're going to come back into the range, where's all the liquidity? Where's all the stop losses? If you're a big player looking to fill up big orders and you need a lot of people selling, well, wrecking all these guys, that's gonna put a lot of sell orders in the market for you to buy. All right, so I'm not saying it's gonna happen, but I'm saying just based on this, if we get a pullback, first of all, I'm gonna look to add to my long trade right here. If that plan does not play out and I get stopped out of that long trade in profit, obviously, because I'm not gonna it's not gonna lose anything, right? Then I would be interested in longing below this area, right? I'd be interested in a long from here because we're just coming back down to the bottom of the range. It's just support and resistance, right? We could even technically pull this support back to this area here, right? So we got ourselves a nice box right here, support resistance. That would be a really nice long trade. That would allow us to continue to range all week and really get some really nice bullish divergences to finally hit 67. So that's kind of my overall plan here, right? My overall plan right now is either stay long and pump, or look for a long at this area and pump, or wait for us to come and wreck everybody and then look for a long and pump. All right? Look for a long and pump. Those are the two options. Well, I guess, yeah, the three options right now. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Wow, we got 2,000 people in here. Make sure to hit the like, subscribe, click the bell, and all that kind of stuff. Let's check out order flow again. Yeah, so we did build a little bit of bearish CVD, just a little bit here. It's actually you could see the longs opening up right now. 6 million longs opening up here with an increase of OI. But so far we're making a lower high. So we might chill out here for a little bit, guys. We might chill out here for a little bit. We might chill out for a little bit. And we are holding above the monthly level, so let's keep that in mind here. We are holding above the monthly, which I think is important. Let's put the monthly on the chart. Yeah, that monthly, that's important. Hold above the monthly, that's actually pretty nice. Breakout and retest of the monthly. Because the monthly was our resistance here, guys, right? So we removed that CDW for a second. This monthly level has been our resistance, 64,610, all week, right? We rejected from it on Sunday. We rejected from it on Wednesday. I think, was that Wednesday? Yep, Wednesday. And now if we hold above it, we could come up to our next major level. Our next major level. Check out the 10-day chart. All right, let's check out the 10-day. The 10-day. Oh wow, the 10-day looks pretty nice. I mean, it looks like the weekly. Yeah, let's see if we can't get another big pump, guys. I mean, I'm expecting 67K. If we get a pullback, I already showed you what I'm looking for. But yeah, God bless all of you. I am gonna call it a stream, guys. All right, I got a lot of stuff to do today. God bless everybody in Jesus' name. Even if you are not religious, may the Lord bless you and your family. I know I come on these streams and I act an idiot. I don't take myself seriously at all, but I do take my walk with the Lord very seriously. Because my relationship with Jesus is literally everything to me. It gives me purpose. Just knowing that even though mankind is in a fallen state, separated from God because of our sin, God loved us so much, He desired relationship with us so much that He took on flesh to die for our sins. And He rose again after 3 days to show that indeed His sacrifice did conquer death. And now if we put our faith and hope in Him, He will fill us with His Holy Spirit to cause us to be born again as a new creation. We have the hope of eternal life and a resurrection from the dead where we get to exist with true meaning, eternal meaning. Everything in life is so purposeless without that truth. So God bless you all, and I'll see you next time. Peace.